How to add another account on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add another account on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the Facebook app, then you simply have to tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, simply scroll down to the bottom and tap on logout and confirm it. And here, once you're logged out of your Facebook account, you'll be prompted to the sign in page. Now here, you simply have to tap on use another profile, and after that, on the next page, you simply have to enter the email address, a phone number, and the password of your second Facebook account. And once you're done with that, you simply have to tap on login. And once you do it, Facebook will now save both accounts on your app so you don't have to enter your login every time. And that's it. That's how you can add another account on Facebook. And here, once you have entered both account email and password, then you don't have to keep on entering it. You can easily switch between those both account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.